Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Today we want to tell about our presentation. Yes, it's about types of pests and forms of damage. So this presentation is from our. Let us. Okay, hello everyone. Okay, the first is my name is Osama Bintang, and my friends is Ratu Angkasawati Purboyo. Yeah, we are here because we want to give the presentation to you. So next is the introduction. Plants, pests, in a broad sense, are all organisms or animal whose life activities cause damage to plants so that they cause economic losing for humans. Organisms that become pests are animals that attack cultivative plants, causing losses. Damage to plants can be caused by plant disrupting organism, or the name is OPT. Our animal or plants are either micro or macro size that interfere, inhibit, and even kill cultivated plants. Well, here we will explain the types of pests and the form of the damage that these pests do to plants. Yeah, we have a table of content. The first is seasonal plant pests. The second is annual plant pests. And the third is pests on the stored materials. Okay, the first, seasonal plant pests. Seasonal crop pests are pests or animals that attack and damage plants that live in a short period of time and produce yields in the growing season. Okay, the first is the example is soybean. Pest is green ladybug or Nezara viridula, order Hemiptera, family Pentatomidae. The biology, the body is green. They have a 16 millimeter long eggs or laid cluster, leaves, pods, and stems. Young nymph clustered install uh, in the morning on the leaves. During the day, it spots and takes shelter. Attack symptoms: the make, pots, and shit are sucked in by their cell fluids. There are black spots if they attack containing pots, empathy, and fall. This is the sample of image from green ladybug and the soybean. Okay. My friend will continue my presentation.
Okay, the second is annual plant pests. Annual plant pests are types of pests that attack and damage hardy plants or plants that usually can live for a long period of time, up to many years, and produce several times in their life. For the example is in a coconut, the pest is horn beetle or oryzal rhinoceros. The order is Coleoptera. Family is Scarabaeidae. The biology of this pest is urate or larvae are white, have a 10 till 12 centimeter long head, red chocolate, live in the ingredient organic or garbage. Petals are black, horned, and 3 until 5 centimeter long. The attack of symptoms is young leaves that are still folded are eaten up to truncated. When it opens, it will be in the form of like a pan. And the next is the third is pests on stored materials. Pests on stored materials are pests that attack and damage crops that have been stored so so that the crops are damaged and cannot be used. For the example is in rice. The pest is rice powder or Cytopilus oryzae. The order is Coleoptera and family is Curculionidae. The biology of this pest is the eggs are laid in the material of making holes, then closed with the rest of the hoist. Larva brought in the material, so that's the imago. Color adult powder when young is red brown, while after all it is black with 4 yellow spots on the elytra. Powder size is third until 5 millimeter, depending on the place live larvae. Powder attack rice, wheat, corn, sorghum, cassava, and copra. The life cycle is about 5 or 4 weeks. Attack symptoms: the material becomes perforated and tree is a residual hoist in the form of musty smelling flower. Okay, maybe that's a presentation from us. We are so sorry if there are mistakes we did. So thank you. Thanks for your attention. And Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.